icing on my finger.
It's alright,
What are you doing, Jack?
Shiny. Make him putting ice on.
What are you doing, Noah?
Putting the stars on.
Look at that.
Gee.
Is that a good job, Jack? Watch
Yeah.
it away from the
That's it then. Do you want to put your top on? Put that on. Oops, a daisies.
I've got my.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're all right. Is
I've got.
that good, Jack? You pleased with that?
I've
Yeah.
got. Daddy,
Mummy.
look, I've got my top on mine.
Do you want to put some stars on,
Look at
Jack?
that, eh?
Yeah.
Are you pleased with that, Noah?
Yes.
Is Mummy a good baker?
Yes.
I'm going to
Biscuit.
Oh no, on there. On there.
What's this?
Biscuits.
Have you made some as well? Are you going to make some?
some more, please.
We're going to keep making them after lunch.
Brilliant, eh?
Can we look at me?
What, you get cracking then, Noah? You doing another one? You're going to put a face on this time?
No.
Oh, Mummy's done a good job there. Look at that.
Yes, I'm
What's the
doing it.
matter? It's alright, I'll wipe your hands in a minute.
Mummy,
Can I
I'm going to make another one.
Oh, heck.
Wait, whoa, don't wave it around.
Don't wave it around. Do you want another bun, Noah?
Yes, please.
Can I give Noah another bun, Mummy?
Yeah.
Here are the buns here.
Okay.
So what do you want on first job then? What's the first job?
Icing.
Right.
I'm doing another one.
Well done, Jack.
For me.
This one for you again.
Then
Right.
I get my
did
bun,
also
bring it on
Oh.
the
Right, do you want this
You
spoon?
do use glue like that at school, Noah?
Here, Jack,
Like
use the
PVA?
spoon. Here. Jack, got to put icing on first before you put stars on. There you go.
You're going to put a Thomas on this one?
To put this.
Yeah, this is
Just
going.
watch that bit that's dripping at the side there, Smile, on this side. That's it. Just get that off with your spoon. Oh, what a pro.
Mummy.
Please. Now, this is going to be yours, Daddy.
Oh, wow. Who's on there then?
Thomas, he's out of puff.
Oh, he's out of puff. Is Daddy out of puff?
Yes.
Right, there you go then. Do you want a
Will you
face?
put it on yours, Jack?
Please,
Do you want a
please,
face?
can they have the stars? Daddy,
No, I need the
Oh,
star.
you
Daddy, do you want
sure?
some stars on yours?
Are you happy with that, Jack? Yeah? Yes, please, Noah.
Okay.
Is it good standard, Mummy?
It is, very good, yeah. Well done.
Let's have a look at the finished products over here. Oh,